Yeah, it died, didn't it? Oh, look at Buddy!
Buddy, did you get renegaded to a leash?
Yeah, I grabbed while I was over there. I grabbed a piece of twine in case I found him because I was going to go back through the woods that way.
He was down in the woods.
Did he?
Yep.
Little, who knows what?
He just earned himself a bath.
Yeah, he's disgusting. Well, this one, yeah, this one. You two can play off leash indoors. Both fans from you're banned from being a dog.
He's like a little puppy. He just gets so into it. It's like
Yep.
he doesn't hear anything.
She's the exact same way.
I had to like cup
Yeah.
like my hands around my mouth for him to even like.
Listen.
Oh, is that my name?
It's like, look at me, and then just kept digging into it.
Yep, I can do that.
Where's Don? What happened to Don?
It's a long
Oh,
distance
he's
dedication
over.
to Don.
He's over in the field there.
The wind is better over on that hill.
He thinks he's gonna find some.
He's
wood.
way over in the